Okay, so we are working on this HH53 or CH53 rotor assembly here, and we are gluing each one of these to this is the swash plate, and this is the mechanism that the blade attaches to here. And so you have 7 ones of these that glue on here. They're going to be hanging a large blade on the end of these, and I was having a hard time getting them to glue on and stay well. Now there will be another piece that sandwiches down on top of this that will help that, but I need to be pretty solid glue job. So what we figured out is we have a special substance that we glue these with, sort of a secret weapon, and it is really simple to use and it is incredibly effective. So if you see right there, the main connection point is right there between the silver and the gray, right there on each side, and then down inside there. So our secret substance, I'm not going to tell you on the air what it is. If you guys want to send me an email, we will let you know what it is there. So it's a matter of simply holding it in place with a finger like that, and we're going to put the substance there, and we are going to just brush a little bit on right there, and then on the other side. Right there. And that is it. We're going to let that set just a few seconds. And what it basically does is simply weld the thing in place. It doesn't affect the paintbrush at all. It evaporates. There's not any cleaning. There's not any stickiness. This simply melts the plastic pieces together, sort of like a weld. Okay, after like 15 seconds, you can let go of the item. And it is welded. This is a clear substance. I will say it's a chemical. You have to be careful with it. And it doesn't seem to affect the nylon brushes at all. So that's a good thing. So we've got 5 of these glued on here. Our policy is you glue it. Anytime you glue something, you don't touch that item, that assembly, for 24 hours. You don't glue anything additional on there. You don't do any painting, nothing. And what we're going to do is, once these are all glued in place, we have the gray color. We have the gray color of these things here, and the gray of the big plate beneath. It's really sort of a canopy. It just sort of covers up everything from the top. This assembly is upside down. It'll flip over when we actually have it on the aircraft. And then we have this plate here, which is painted steel, colored steel. And so where the two come together and where we put the welding substance on there, there will be a little teeny bit of touch-up required. So we will use a really fine brush and touch those bits up. But much of this is going to be covered up because there's going to be another plate that comes down here, and then you flip all this over, it's upside down, and it will be sort of difficult to see up under here, but we just have this policy that every single little detail we will do to absolute perfection. And then when you look at the entire model assembled, it'll look just totally superb because every detail was handled in the assembly process. So anyway, that is the, here's our substance. See there, it just basically looks like water. That is the lesson for today. If you guys want to know what the substance is, you can call us at 877-204-0750 or send an email to nfhobbies@aol.com. Thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.